Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and today we're standing in front of a stunning 1967 Camaro RS. Boy, this is one hot rod. Let's take a look at this. Just a note, even the front headlights open good. Very rare in a Camaro RS. You don't see a lot of them working. Come on up, Aubrey. Let's take a look inside. Check out under the hood of this car. It's a numbers matching 327. It has a Holley carburetor, chrome alternator, Edelbrock aluminum intake, comp cam, power steering, power brakes, working factory air. It is unbelievable. Everything looks brand new under the hood. The paint on this car is flawless. Let's take a look. It has beautiful blue, Marina Blue paint. The 327 is hooked up to a Muncie 4-speed, and it all gets driven to the pavement by a factory 10-bolt 355 limited slip rear end. It has Boss 338s on it. The backs are 20s and the fronts are 18s. And the paint is over a beautiful, solid metal body. And don't forget, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com and you can see more pictures of the undercarriage. And do yourself a favor, go to classiccarbuyingsecrets.com and get the free report to 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a classic car online. We've saved many people thousands of dollars, and we don't want you to make the deadly mistakes yourself. Also, you can join us on Facebook.com/Vanguard Auto Sales. Have dibs on our inventory before it even gets listed to the public. And also, you can follow us on Twitter at Twitter.com/Vanguard Motors. Beautiful trunk inside here. You got an original Holley glass tire. This is one straight Camaro. It has the Billet RS grille as well. And I know you're enjoying this video right now, so you can subscribe to us at youtube.com/Vanguard Motor Sales. Tires are brand new on here. Just a phenomenal looking vehicle. You can tell this is a Tulsa car. Look at how clean the door lips are. Interior is near flawless. There's one wear mark on the driver's seat. Seat belt in the car. A wood steering wheel. It has the GM seat belts. And wonderful gauges. Factory tinted glass. It has the Cowl Hood. This car is absolutely gorgeous. It is very stunning. If you want to be noticed, buy this car. great rumble it is with these Flowmasters on here in the cam. Car just purrs like a kitten. Don't forget, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're dedicated to putting your dream in your driveway. So call Tom today. I'm available 7 days a week to answer any of your questions at 248-974-9513. Thanks again for joining us today.